Alright, hi boys and girls. Today we're on lesson 106 and it looks like this. So make sure you have that. We're going to get started right away on our letter sounds. So get your name down on the paper. On number 1, we're doing U. That's U consonant E, comma, U, or as a final sound, UE. Number 2 is Ch. That's CH. Number 3 is ER. Number 4 is shun, that final stable syllable TION. Number 5 is E. That's EE, comma E, or as a final sound EE or comma Y. Number 6 is AW. Remember that's AU or as a final sound AW. Number 7 is OR. That's OR. Number 8 is QU. QU. Number 9 is I consonant E, comma I, or as a final sound Y. And number 10 is OI, which is OI, or as a final sound OY. All right, go ahead and make sure you have those down before we move on to our spelling. We're going to practice spelling a couple of words on number 11 and 12. Number 11, we are going to spell brown. We have that ow sound in the middle, but this is actually an irregular spelling. So it's not OU, it's OW. They're really trying to trick us here, aren't they? Brown. Number 12, we're going to spell blue. B, L, and then that U sound is UE. All right. Let's move on to our new digraph we're learning. All right, we have volley, alley, and chimney. What do you hear at the end of each of those words? That E sound, right? This is going to be a new way to spell E. So we have EY. This is a digraph. A digraph is when we have two letters that come together to make one sound, and we underline our digraphs while we're coding. We're also going to cross off our Y because we're not saying our Y and our E, we're just saying our E and it gets a macron. So when we code, that's how we will code the digraph EY. The picture for this to help us remember is a key. So when we see that, we'll know key, EY. All right, let's practice spelling a couple of words with this EY. Right, we're going to spell key to start with. Number 13. Key. We know that was K and then EY. Number 13. Oops, we were on for 13. Number 14. Silly Miss White. Number 14 is turkey. So R-U-R combination. And then key again. We already have key right there. It's the same. Number 15. Kidney. K. And then knee. All right, make sure you have those down. We're going to move on to code some words like this, get some practice. All right, our first word we're going to code is valley on number 16. We have our EY. So we'll draw our macron on top and cross that off. We also have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern here. So we're going to draw a line between our vowel consonant, our two consonants, and our A gets a brev. Number 17 is barley. Oops. Barley. Again, we have that vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. our EY digraph, cross off our Y, our E gets a macron. We have the AR arc here, and then we're going to draw a line in between the two consonants. Number 18 is alley. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel again. We'll draw a line between our two consonants. And then our EY digraph, our Y gets crossed off and our E gets a macron. And here we have AL, so vowel consonant, our A gets a brev. Number 19, these are taking a lot of space for me to write. Number 19 is medley. Here again, that vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Do you notice that? We have a lot of vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern here going on. We'll draw a line in between the two. Here we have our EY digraph, cross off the Y, E gets a macron, and here's vowel consonant, the E gets a brev. Number 20, keyhole. This is a compound word because we have key and hole. So we'll just draw a line between the two. Here we have the EY digraph, the E gets the macron, the Y gets crossed off, and then here we have vowel consonant E, so our E is silent and sneaky, and our O gets a macron. Go ahead and make sure you have all of that down before we move on. And draw a line from whatever word matches the picture over to the right. All right, number 21. Here is a big compound word, kickstand. We'll draw a line between kick and stand. We're going to underline our CK digraph, cross off our C because we don't say it, and our I is just basically a vowel consonant, it gets a brev. Over here, our A gets a brev. That's all we actually have to do with that. Number 22, railroad. Again, a compound word of rail and road. Underline or put a line through that. We have our OA digraph where we cross off the A and put a macron on the O. We have our AI digraph. We're going to cross off the I and a macron on the A. 23 is stroll. This is one of our wild colts. Stroll. O is saying its name, so it gets a macron. 24, couches. We have our ES suffix. We're going to box off. We have our CH digraph and our OU diphthong. And then our C gets a K back because it makes that K sound at the beginning. 25, last is garments. Big word. First we will box off that S because we're not even looking at that. We're going to have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, so we'll draw a line between the two consonants. Here we have the AR combination and the E gets the brev. All right, I think that is all for that. Let's look at our worksheet. We're back to our usual type of worksheet. Here you have two paragraphs you need to read, and you need to answer the 4 questions afterwards and read those sight words. And then I'll see you on the next video.